Hello, and welcome to Lightyear. This is the all-in-one, award-winning accounts payable and purchasing automation solution. This video will give you a brief insight into the features and allow us to explain how we can give your team the tools to focus on strategy and not admin. Getting an invoice into the system is very simple. They can either come in directly via email or a click and drag upload. This is a view of the system that the finance or admin team will have, giving them the full, complete overview of all the invoices traveling through the business. Split into different panels, it allows you to see the image or PDF of the invoice and the line item extraction of the information from it. Uploading it to the web app allows you to see how instant our data extraction is, in this example being a very quick click and drag to get the document into the system. By default, Lightyear will automatically extract the line item detail from the invoices. This gives Lightyear the possibility to add a couple of other features that can give you greater oversight of your spend. Firstly, Lightyear can automatically price check the products on the invoices to ensure they're being matched with either agreed prices from your suppliers or their catalogs. Lightyear can also flag any duplicate invoices in the system to avoid duplicate processing and payments. And last but not least, touching on the fraudulent payment prevention features, Lightyear is also able to automatically extract and compare any bank details on invoices against the details saved against that supplier. This rules out any possibility for anyone poaching payments in a fraudulent manner, because we flag up if there's any sort of variations for you. Those core features in Lightyear's Accounts Payables product will help you save time, reduce errors, gain visibility and control across your business by removing any sort of manual data entry, allowing you to see the price of what you're purchasing, who you're purchasing it with, and automatically checking the validity of any supplier's invoices as well. Within Lightyear, you can also fully control and automate your approvals workflows on invoices and purchase orders. The finance team will be able to see who documents are sitting with and the status of their approval through the color-coded icons in the task column. Approvers themselves have very limited access to the system. They will get notified about any documents they have to approve via email. They can either action those in the email, on the mobile app, or, as you can see today, in the web app itself. They will have access to this My Tasks section, which gives them a specific inbox just for the documents that they need to see and to approve. Lightyear has many different features within this section to help improve the communication across the invoice approvals. You will be able to have the audit trail and the notes section, which forms part of an instant messenger tool where colleagues can message back and forth on questions and communications around invoices. In terms of options to approve, you can either approve, reject, or choose from the other variations of options. You can also host a dispute either internally with the team or externally with the supplier, emailing them directly from within the system. Within Lightyear, it is possible to have 8 different levels of approval on the same invoice. Please reach out to us for a consultation call so that we can go into the specifics of how we're able to achieve your approvals workflows. Lightyear can also automatically host 3-way matching between invoices, purchase orders, and if your business requires, goods received notes. For the visibility of the finance team, you are able to see exactly how invoices have compared to purchase orders, and if they match all the set criteria, Lightyear will automatically match them off in the system. This will give you 0 errors and save the time you would need to spend manually matching in the process. Lightyear will also flag any sort of variations within the comparison between the documents, flagging these as partial matches using the Bill PO match functionality. It will highlight any similarities as well as any differences between the documents, allowing you to either override and accept any sort of variations or reach out to the PO raiser or the supplier directly to get this sorted. Again, saving lots of time and giving the finance team a great perspective in terms of how the invoices match up to the orders being raised against them. Lightyear can also automatically reconcile supplier statements. Statements can be sent into Lightyear in exactly the same way that invoices can. We extract the bill number, the date, and the total from the statement, and then automatically search within Lightyear for the invoices that match those 3 pieces of criteria. It's as simple as that. It is an automatic match, and it's a feature which contributes to that 80% time save for AP teams each week. If anything is missing, Lightyear will show you exactly which invoices are missing, as well as the purpose of accruals, the variance being the difference between what is on the statement and what is within Lightyear. To communicate this directly with the supplier, all you need to do is to click the Email Supplier Statement option to send that directly to the supplier. The email will automatically populate with the list of missing invoices and a note on where the supplier should send the invoices that are missing. At a glance, Lightyear's dashboard section will allow you to see an overview of the figures in the accounts in a single click. You will also be able to see an instant report on the number of documents waiting to be actioned, who they are with, and how many a particular person has, along with the options to manually send them a task reminder to ensure they get their approvals actioned. Alongside invoices and purchase orders, Lightyear can also deal with out-of-pocket expenses and the reimbursement of these. Using the mobile app, users can take pictures of and submit receipts using the same data extraction technology we use for invoices. Lightyear can present them with the data to submit to reports. These reports can be grouped in any way, depending on your business's functionality. The reports themselves could be sent for approval within the system using a range of different automation. For example, being based on the submitter or indeed value approval as well. Once approved, they can be marked as scheduled for reimbursement, allowing the submitter to know when to expect the reimbursement into their account. After this has been scheduled, they can then be exported into the accountancy software to be dealt with from that point onwards. Lightyear is also supported by a fully incorporated and easy-to-use mobile app. Anyone who has invoices to approve can do so on the move in this task section. Clicking on the tiles, they are able to see the invoice that has been assigned to them. A swipe in either direction will allow them to see the options, or simply click to approve that particular invoice. From the mobile app, users can also directly submit expenses by snapping an image and uploading directly from their camera roll. Purchase orders can also be created within the mobile app for streamlined, on-the-go operating. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at lightyear.cloud.